Recent reports and social media posts have highlighted China's unveiling of a new stealth aircraft, potentially signaling advancements toward a sixth-generation fighter jet. On December 26, 2024, coinciding with Mao Zedong's birthday, images and videos surfaced showing a tailless, ultra-stealth aircraft, unofficially referred to as the J-36, during its maiden flight over Chengdu. The aircraft features a diamond-shaped, modified delta-wing design, enhancing its stealth capabilities and aerodynamic efficiency. This design aligns with characteristics anticipated in sixth-generation fighters, such as advanced stealth, enhanced maneuverability, and potential for long-range missions. While the unveiling has generated significant attention, some analysts urge caution, noting that the authenticity and operational status of the aircraft remain unconfirmed. The Chinese government has not officially acknowledged the development, leading to speculation about whether the aircraft is a functional prototype or a conceptual model. The J-20, also known as the Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon, is China's first stealth fighter jet, officially categorized by the Chinese government as a fifth-generation aircraft. However, its designation as a true fifth-generation fighter has been a topic of debate among defense analysts. Here are the primary arguments on why some consider the J-20 not to fully qualify as a real fifth-generation fighter. 1. Stealth capabilities. Criticism. Analysts have pointed out that while the J-20 has a stealthy design, its stealth capabilities may not match those of true fifth-generation fighters like the US F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. Features such as the canards, forward control surfaces, on the J-20 can compromise its radar cross-section, especially from certain angles. Counter-argument. China claims that the J-20's design achieves sufficient stealth for its intended missions, focusing on long-range strikes rather than dogfights. 2. Engines criticism. The J-20 has faced long-standing issues with its engines. The early models used Russian-supplied AL-31F engines, which are not optimized for fifth-generation fighters. Indigenous WS-10C and WS-15 engines are intended to close the gap, but questions remain about their reliability, thrust, and supercruise capability, sustained supersonic flight without afterburners. Counter-argument. China is reportedly improving the WS-15 engine, and future iterations of the J-20 may address this shortcoming. 3. Maneuverability criticism. The J-20 is larger and less agile than other fifth-generation fighters like the F-22. Its size suggests a focus on long-range engagements rather than close-range dogfighting, which could limit its capabilities in certain combat scenarios. Counter-argument. The J-20 was designed for a different set of priorities, emphasizing long-range stealth intercept and anti-access area denial A2AD roles over dogfighting. 4. Avionics and sensors. Criticism. While China claims the J-20 is equipped with advanced avionics, such as AESA radar and modern electronic warfare systems, the actual performance of these systems is difficult to verify. Comparisons with US or Russian fifth-generation fighters remain speculative due to a lack of transparent data. Counter-argument. China has made significant strides in military technology, and the J-20's systems may be more capable than critics assume. 5. Role and doctrine criticism. Unlike the F-22 and F-35, which are designed for multi-role missions with emphasis on both air superiority and ground attack, the J-20 appears to prioritize air dominance and long-range strikes, making it less versatile as a true multi-role fifth-generation fighter. Counter-argument. The J-20's focus on long-range missions aligns with China's strategic objectives, particularly in the Pacific theater. Conclusion. While the J-20 represents a major achievement for China's aviation industry, Some analysts believe it falls short of meeting all the benchmarks of a true fifth-generation fighter. Its stealth, engines, and overall versatility are often cited as areas where it lags behind Western counterparts. However, China continues to refine the J-20, and future iterations may narrow the gap. How can a country that has not even successfully produced a fifth-generation aircraft suddenly produce a sixth-generation fighter? People who know China know that this is just a trick played by the CCP. I worked there for more than 10 years as journalist. China is currently facing an unprecedented economic crisis, which has led to deep social instability. In order to stabilize the emotions of the people, the Chinese Communist Party urgently needs to tell this explosive news to prove how powerful China is. Even the Chinese are deeply skeptical about this news about the sixth-generation aircraft. What about you? Do you believe it is true? I don't believe it at all, because I know them very well, so I just laughed it off. Don't take it seriously, my friend.